Lalitya Quiz Contest!
Greetings everyone, and we are back with Lalitya Quiz Contest. So, we are back in our home, not on the terrace anymore.
Yes.
I have to really shout there and it makes my throat really weak. So, guys, before we start, an advisory, please use soap and wash your hands for 20 seconds, use a timer, and if soap is not available, you can use a sanitizer. If you don't have anything, you should get something. Really.
Yes.
So, now let us begin the quiz show. Today we have both our participants, Sudhanva
Hi.
and Suhita.
Hello.
So, are we ready?
Yes.
So, today we will be having 6 rounds. All of them will have many different questions, different types of questions. I will let you know what is the structure or format of the questions and how many points they carry. So, let us begin. Round 1, take your pick.
Yes.
In this round, I will ask each participant 3 questions. The first question will have 3 options, second question will have 4 options, and the third question will have 5 options. In all 3 cases, only one is the correct answer. You have to tell me which that is. Each question is worth 5 points, so you can earn 15 points in this round.
Yes.
So, let us begin with Sudhanva. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your first question is Americano, Macchiato, and Mochaccino are types of what?
Mm-hmm.
Coffee, stew, or rooms in French hotels?
Coffee.
Coffee is the right answer. Have you tried any of these?
Don't know. I don't remember.
But I tried.
Okay. Wonderful coffees all of these are.
Yes.
Second question. Who directed the 2008 film A Wednesday?
Mm-hmm.
Nitesh Tiwari, Prakash Jha, Shekhar Kapoor, or Neeraj Pandey?
I think it's Neeraj Pandey.
Neeraj Pandey, what do you think?
Yes, same.
Neeraj Pandey is the right answer. In fact, just so you know, this was his directorial debut and it's a wonderful film.
Wow.
He won the award for Best Director on his debut.
Nice
Like,
information.
generally, people get the award that is Director for Debut. But here he got the Best Director award on debut. So that's a wonderful thing.
Very nice.
Your third question and final question of this round is, what is Niragongo? Nyiragongo. Niragongo. A type of clothing, an active volcano, a sport, the largest coal power plant, or a type of cloud?
What is the second option?
The second answer option was an active volcano.
Yeah. It's active volcano.
What do you think?
Same.
An active volcano is the right answer. Niragongo in Congo is an active volcano. It is very famous because it has a lava lake. So if you look at it, at the crater, तिकडे जो लावा आहे त्याचं असं एक तळं बनलेलं आहे.
Wow.
असं सगळीकडे नाही दिसत, काहीच आहे तसे, आणि हे खूप फेमस आहे. सो यू हॅव परफेक्ट स्कोअर ऑफ 15 points in round 1. So congratulations, and now let us move on to our second participant, Suhita. Are you ready?
Yes, by all means.
With which field would you associate the Y2K problem? Computers, dating rocks, or evolution of life?
It's first computers.
What do you think?
Yeah, that's right.
What was the problem?
Y2K was the problem at year 2000 that
Yeah, the answer is right.
2000
The thing was, until 2000, the year 2000, computers would generally in their storage and also display would show just the last 2 years of the year. So like 1999 would just become 99, 1970 would become 70. So the thing is, after 99 what comes? It has no 100, it
Right.
goes back to 0. So that would cause very catastrophic problems, and to prevent that, just in time, the bug was removed, but not everywhere. At some places it was removed after 2000. So that is the right answer. Second question. Ophidiophobia is the fear of what? Ophidiophobia. Operations, like surgeries, snakes, noodles, or mountain climbing.
It's snakes.
What do you think?
No, I think
No
it's
Noodles?
No, you cannot now try
Oh,
again. Give
sorry.
me one final answer.
Sorry. But the snakes.
Snakes. Snakes is the right answer. Ophidiophobia. Ophidios means snake.
Wow.
And ophidiophobia is a fear of snakes. In which present-day country would you find the ancient city Machu Picchu? Bolivia, Brazil, Argentina, Venezuela, or Peru?
Repeat the options.
Yeah, Bolivia,
Hmm.
Brazil, Argentina, Venezuela, or Peru?
It's a Brazil.
What do you think?
I think it's Peru.
Yes, you are absolutely right. It is in Peru, so you don't get points for that. Machu Picchu is an ancient city built on a mountain. It is very famous. It was once in the Seven Wonders. So you get 10 points, not a bad score. Now, let us move on to round 2. What's the question?
Okay.
In this round, I shall ask each participant 3. I will give you the answer, the 3 answers. You give me back what are some suitable questions that will lead you to the answers. So, I hope everyone got, and let us begin with Sudhanva. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Your first answer is Fat Bloom.
At Bloom.
Yeah.
No guess.
No guess. Okay.
No idea.
What do you call the white stuff that comes up on chocolate? You might have seen that chocolate often develops a white layer,
Okay.
very thin layer.
Is that of milk?
No, any chocolate. चॉकलेट वरती जे असे पांढरे पांढरे
हा.
पांढरे होतं ना चॉकलेट थोडस
त्याला काय?
fat bloom. Actually, what happens is due to temperature variation, the fat it comes out of the chocolate.
Oh.
It is completely safe. You can eat such chocolates. So that is called fat bloom. Many of us wonder what the hell that is.
Nice.
Second answer: Satwant Singh and Beyant Singh.
Who were the sons of शिकांची गुरु कोण? गुरु नानक.
No.
No, गुरु नानक नाही हे 10वे नांदेडले कोण?
No, not that. Not
Govind
that.
Singh, Guru Govind Singh.
No. Who were Indira Gandhi's bodyguards
Oh.
who assassinated her?
Great.
So that was the answer.
Nice question.
And the third answer is sundew and bladderwort are examples of these. Sundew and bladderwort are examples of these.
No idea.
No idea. Would you like to try? Not for points.
No idea.
What names are insectivorous plants?
Oh.
Sundew and bladderwort, both of these are insectivorous plants. It means they eat insects for proteins.
Wow.
Sundew is a terrestrial plant. You will find it has thorns. The insects, they get stuck on those thorns. And bladderwort is underwater. It has extremely fast reaction time. So, unfortunately, you don't score anything in this round. But don't worry, there are many more rounds to go. So, let us move on to our second participant. Are you ready?
Yes.
Adolf Hitler had this type of mustache. Misha.
yes, I know. English मध्ये चार्ली चॅपलिनच्या मिशा कोणासारख्या होत्या. To whom personality of a mustache Charlie Chaplin have copied?
No, I'm asking Adolf Hitler had this type of mustache.
Just like Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin ची अशीच होती ना.
What do you call that mustache type?
Oh, मिशीचा तो प्रकार माहिती आहे मला ऍक्च्युली. It's a small.
No, don't describe it.
Sorry, no.
No idea.
No idea.
What do you? Who had a toothbrush mustache?
Toothbrush. Wow.
So you call it toothbrush mustache because it
Toothbrush.
resembles a toothbrush.
Funny.
He is the only person to have won an Oscar and a Nobel.
Oh.
Very well known fact, he's the only person to do so.
No idea.
No idea. Yeah.
No,
Yeah, give it a guess. There is no negative marking. Not trying? Okay.
No, don't remember.
Who was George Bernard Shaw?
George Bernard Shaw.
In
माहिती होतं मला.
1925, he won the Nobel Prize for Literature, and in 1939, he won the Nobel Prize for the best written screenplay. The film was Pygmalion.
Yes.
And your third answer is circadian rhythm.
Circadian rhythm.
Circadian rhythm.
What you call some type of Italian music?
No,
Piano.
no, not at all.
Style of dance.
Not trying.
No.
What do you call the your internal body clock of day and night cycles?
Wow. काय म्हणणं आहे त्याचं?
Circadian rhythm.
Circadian rhythm. Wow, nice. Great.
So those were a few interesting questions. If you found them interesting.
No, questions are
So,
interesting.
No
You're
one
not that clever.
scores anything in this round.
Oh.
Okay, don't worry, there are 4 more rounds to go. So, now let us move on to round 3, mixed bag. In this round, I will ask 5 questions and our participants have to write the answers down on a piece of paper. They will have 15 seconds to think and write down the answer. So, are we ready with pens and paper?
Yes.
Yeah.
You will have 15 seconds and we have a clock here, wonderful clock.
म्हणजे बजर राऊंड आहे ना?
Nahi. लिहायची
ओके
आहे
ओके
फक्त.
हां.
The vocal cords are found inside the sound box. What is another name for sound box? Vocal cords हे sound box मध्ये सापडतात असतात. Sound box ला दुसरं कॉमन नाव काय?
मराठीतलं माहिती आहे.
Start writing now. 15 seconds are up. We have
स्वरयंत्र नाही.
Svarayantra. We have throat. Very creative answer, but no. The answer is larynx. Larynx. Larynx.
LA.
Rynx. Larynx is in your throat, and inside the larynx you will find vocal cords, which
Wow.
are some muscles. Okay. Second question.
Hmm.
The Gregorian calendar is named after Pope Gregory XIII. I'm serious or joking? Start writing. And 15 seconds are up. We have serious. Both of you are right. It is serious. Pope Gregory XIII realized that the Easter was coming 10 days too early because the Julian calendar was drifting very slightly. It drifted 10 days in 1.5 millennia. 1500 years and just 10 days drifted. It was wonderfully accurate, but that was not enough. The Catholic Church wanted Easter to occur on the very same date it occurred thousands of years ago. So Pope Gregory XIII hired some mathematicians and devised a new calendar, which now we call the Gregorian calendar, which we are using.
Wow. Nice
Okay.
information.
Now, the third question. Name a recognized country on the continent of Antarctica. Antarctica वरती एक ओळखलेला देश सांगा. Start writing your answers now. 15 seconds are up. We have nothing. We have France. One of you is right, one of you is wrong. France is having a claim on the Antarctic land. In fact, there are many countries: Australia, USA, Chile, Argentina, France, Norway.
अंटार्क्टिकावर काहीच नाही आहे.
आहेत ह्यांचे क्लेम्स आहेत. But these are not recognized countries. Nothing is the right answer. There are no countries on the planet,
Yes.
on the continent. I'm
तेच
sorry.
म्हणते तिथं काहीच नाहीये. बर्फ आहे नुसता.
Yeah, there are no countries. However, you will find that Chile had set up some cities on Antarctica.
Cities.
Yes, they are
Wow.
completely normal cities. People are living, post offices, banks, you'd get internet, everything.
बापरे, पण बर्फात कसं काय केलं त्यांनी?
केलं आता ती जमीन हवी आहे त्यांना म्हणून दाखवायचं की
बापरे, मरतील ना लोक एवढ्या बर्फात.
who was the youngest prime minister of India? Start.
हो, मी नाव लिहिलेलं होतं. मी हे करत होते. राजीव गांधी.
केलं ना.
So, oh, sorry, extremely sorry, guys. We have Rajiv Gandhi. We have Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi is the right answer. Who can tell me his age at the time?
I think
38.
44.
38 ना?
No, he was 40.
40, okay.
So, but yes, still it is the youngest.
Yes.
Your final question for round 3 mixed bag is the Soviet Union's Venera missions were for which planet? सोवियत युनियनचे सोवियत संघाचे व्हेनेरा मिशन्स कोणत्या ग्रहासाठी होते? स्टार्ट रायटिंग नाउ. 15 seconds are up. We have Mars, we have Venus. One of you is right, one of you is wrong. Venus is the right answer.
Okay.
So the Soviet Union had the Venera missions, I think 14 or 15 of them, and they were bound to go to Venus or make a flyby of Venus.
Wow.
In fact, an interesting thing is one of the Venera missions, which was supposed to circulate, like orbit around Venus, it went very far away from Venus, and right now it is in a heliocentric orbit. So just like other planets, it is orbiting the sun, but we don't call it a planet. So that concludes round 3 mixed bag. Now let us have round 4 vocabulary. In
Yes.
this round, I will ask you 5 questions. All questions are related to vocabulary. The question itself will contain the instructions on what is to be done, and this is a buzzer round. You will have around 10 seconds of thinking time, and then I will say go, then you can hit the buzzer, and I will ask you to give the answer. So, are you ready? Your first question is rearrange the letters. Rearrange the letters in the word west. West as in the direction west. To get a dish which is served in gravy. Start thinking.
Rearrange ना?
10 seconds, sir. Go!
Stew.
Stew is the right answer. Rearrange the letters in the word beard. Beard. To get a bakery product. Start thinking. And 10 seconds are up. Go!
Bread.
Yeah, bread is the right answer. Insert the letter U somewhere in the word purse. Purse as in what ladies carry to get a word which means follow. Purse या शब्दामध्ये कुठेतरी U टाकायचा आणि असा शब्द बनवा ज्याचा अर्थ आहे follow. Start thinking. Ten seconds are up. Go.
Pursue.
Pursue is the right answer. Fourth question. Read the word pets. Pets as in the plural of pet. Pet means the animals. Pet animals. Read the word pets backwards to get a word which means level. Level. Start thinking. And 10 seconds are up. Go.
Step.
Step is the right answer.
बाबा आधीच देतो वाजवून.
Read the word part. Part म्हणजे खंड. Part backwards to get a word which means an object which is used to catch animals. Start thinking. Ten seconds are up. Go.
AP trap.
You're right. So guys, that concludes round 4 vocabulary. Now we will have a very short break. After the break, we shall continue with the 2 remaining rounds, speed and what's the word. So guys, please do listen to the very wonderful space information.
लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट. हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, जाणून घेऊयात आता आकाशातल्या म्हणजे आपल्या स्पेस मधल्या गमती जमती. आकाशातल्या आकाशगंगा ह्या एकमेकांपासून खूप दूर असूनही बऱ्याचदा जवळ येतात आणि एकमेकींमध्ये मिसळतात. कधी कधी हे झाल्यावर फार गमतीशीर आकार देखील बनतात, जसं की माईस गॅलेक्सी अर्थात उंदीर आकाशगंगा. याचा आकार आपल्या उंदीर मामासारखा असतो बरं का. आणि आपली आकाशगंगा देखील जवळच्याच अँड्रोमेडा सोबत मिसळायचा अंदाज आहे. काय आहे की नाही गंमत? लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट.
So guys, welcome back after the very short break. Hope you enjoyed the information shared by one of our participants. And now let us move on to round 5 speed.
Yes.
In this round, I'll ask 5 questions. 2 of those questions will have options, just so you know. You will have 40 seconds to answer the 5 questions. Each question carries 10 points, so you can earn 50 points in this round. Are you ready?
Yes.
We shall begin when the second hand is on 12.
Okay.
You have 40 seconds. Be prepared. What language do you want it in?
English.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Bakelite and melamine are types of what?
Plastic.
Yes. Mercury is the hottest planet in the solar system. Serious or joking?
Serious.
No. Who was the dictator of Italy in World War II?
Mussolini.
Yes. Mahayana and Himayana are sects of which religion? Buddhism or Jainism?
Jainism.
No. Pascal, Basic and COBOL are what?
Computer languages.
Yes, programming languages. I can take that. You have finished 10 seconds before time. Really, congratulations. You got 3 correct. So that is a score of 30. Mercury is not the hottest. It is Venus.
Yeah.
Due to an out of control greenhouse effect. And Mahayana and Himayana are sects of Buddhism.
I know
The
this.
sects of Jainism are Digambara and
Digambara.
Shvetambara.
हे असंच होत आहे
So, what language do you want it in?
मराठी.
Marathi. You shall begin once the second hand is on 12.
येस. थोडं स्लो सांगा.
पूर्वी चारुकेसी आणि भटियार हे कशाचे प्रकार आहेत?
काय काय?
पूर्वी चारुकेसी आणि भटियार हे कशाचे प्रकार आहेत?
शास्त्रीय संगीतातले राग.
येस. गंजाचा केमिकल नेम काय? आयर्न ऑक्साईड का आयर्न क्लोराईड?
आयर्न क्लोराईड.
नो. लाला लजपत राय, बाळ गंगाधर टिळक आणि बिपिन चंद्र पाल यांना एकसाथ काय म्हणायचे?
लाल बाल पाल.
येस. अबोध 1984 अबोध या सिनेमामध्ये कोणाची डेब्यू होती? माधुरी दीक्षित का ऐश्वर्या राय?
माधुरी दीक्षित.
येस. लेक हिलियर जे ऑस्ट्रेलियामध्ये आहे याचा रंग काय आहे?
याचे ऑप्शन्स नाही आहेत का? ग्रीन.
I cannot take it. And now the answer is wrong. It is pink.
ओके ओके.
Due to the presence of an algae, Dunaliella salina.
हे काय?
हे त्या algaeचं नाव आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये ह्या नावाचा एक algae सापडतो, शेवाळ सापडतो आणि या शेवाळाचा रंग
पिंक असतो.
पिंक असतो. त्यामुळे ते पूर्ण तळच पिंक आहे.
वाव.
So you also get 3 correct. That is a score of 30. Now let us move on to final round. What's the word?
Yes.
In this round, I will ask each participant 7 questions. The first 6 questions will be normal questions. Will be normal 6 questions, and you have to note down the first letter of all the 6 answers. The 7th question will be what's the word.
येस.
At that time, you have to give me the word, the 6-letter word which you have just made. Each question is worth 10 points, so you can earn 70 points in this round. Are we ready?
येस, युअर पेन इज ऑल्सो रेडी. सो वी जम्पिंग.
So let us start with Sugandha.
येस.
Are you ready? Mount Kenya is the tallest freestanding mountain. I'm serious or joking?
Joking.
Yes. Sunscreen lotions are used to protect you from which harmful rays?
Ultraviolet.
Absolutely correct. According to a cartoon, Who is Doraemon's best friend?
Nobita.
Yes. Which Asian country's name, other than India, begins with I and D and ends in IA?
Indonesia.
Absolutely right. Spinach contains high amounts of what? Oxalic acid or malic acid?
Oxalic acid.
Yes. Kigali is the capital of which country? Rwanda or Uganda?
Rwanda.
It's good. What's the word?
Junior.
Absolutely correct. A perfect score of 70. Congratulations.
वाव.
Okay, so now our second participant, Sunita, are you ready?
Yes.
Which avatar of Vishnu killed Hiranyakashipu? Vaman or Narsimha?
नरसिम्हा.
You're right. The village of Harappa is in present day Pakistan. I'm serious or joking?
सिरियस.
Correct. Which is the famous 6-word phrase from Shakespeare's Hamlet?
टू बी और नॉट टू बी.
Is good.
That is
In
the question.
1867, Russia sold Alaska, the land, the complete Alaska, to which country for $7.2 million?
रिपीट क्वेश्चन.
1867 मध्ये रशियाने कोणत्या देशाला अलास्का विकलं?
अमेरिका.
Yes.
US.